Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can customize notifications for each of the different mail accounts on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. After that, scroll down, then tap on Mail, then tap on Notifications. Next, we go down to the bottom and then tap on Customize Notifications. In here, you'll be able to set a different customization for each of the different accounts. So for example, if I go into Gmail, I can choose to turn on or turn off alerts just for the Gmail account. And I can also customize a unique sound just for this, just for the Gmail notifications. And if I go back and go back again, from here I can go into iCloud. I can turn off or turn on alerts for the iCloud account, and from here I can choose a different sound for the iCloud account. Now by selecting a unique alert sound, if I receive notifications from the mail app, and if I hear that sound coming, I will easily recognize which account is coming from. So that is the unique or the special customization that you can apply for the different accounts. You can change the sounds and you can choose whether to receive alerts or not for the different mail account. And down here is the Remind Me. So Remind Me settings will override all other mail notification settings. So in here you can choose to turn on or off, and you can choose a sound. So you can choose a different sounds when it try to remind you of the mail notifications. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.